Okay, today we will continue with graphing sinusoidal functions, and we have the equation y equals sine x plus 2 pi minus 1. Um, we are including today a new component, which is the vertical translation of a graph. In this equation, you can see that the amplitude is equal to 1. The value of v is also 1. The value of c is going to be used to calculate the phase shift is 2 pi. The vertical translation of the graph is equal to negative 1. And those components, those elements are going to be used to have our graph. Let's calculate the period. The period is going to be p equals to 2 pi over the absolute value of b. And that's simply calculated 2 pi over 1, which is equals to 2 pi. Now the phase shift. The phase shift, let me use PS short form for phase shift. It's equals to negative c over the absolute value of b. Okay, so we found that the phase shift of this function, sinusoidal function, is equals to 2 pi negative 2 pi over b, and b is 1. Therefore, the phase shift of this function is negative 2 pi. With that in mind, we can sketch the graph of this parent function like this. Originally, this is our point 0, 0, and the period is going to be 2 pi, and all I need to do is divide 2 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, which is equals to, simplifying this, is equals to pi over 2. So each piece of the graph would be pi over 2. The next one is pi over 2 plus pi over 2, which is equals to pi. Then pi plus pi over 2 is equals to 3 pi over 2. And now we can sketch the graph with an amplitude of 1, 1 to negative 1. Let me change the color for this one. So that 0, 0 is my starting point. At pi over 2, the value of the sine will be 1. At pi will be 0. At 3 pi over 2 is equals to negative 1. And at 2 pi it comes back to 0. Let me sketch now the graph. Dotted line. Smooth curve to connect the points. And now the phase shift. The phase shift is minus 2 pi. That means every single point on the graph will be translated to the left 2 pi units. So 2 pi, 0 minus 2 pi is 0. 3 pi minus pi over 2 equals to negative pi over 2. Pi minus 2 pi is negative pi. Pi over 2 minus 2 pi is negative 3 pi over 2. now I connect, let me use another color to connect all the points so that I know that this graph is shifted 2 pi units to the left. Now, last but not least, we have to use our new component, which is the vertical translation, and we will need what we call the midline. That midline will be placed exactly at the number we see here is -1. But what does that mean? It means that every point on the graph will be moved 1 unit down. What graph? The one which shifted 2 pi units to the left. So this point will come down 1, this one will come down 1, this point will come down 1, this one will come down 1 unit up to -2, and this will come down 1 to -1. And I can connect the new points to make the new graph. This one will be solid. This graph will be solid to represent our final product. Okay? Thank you very much for your attention.